Jacuzzi time. Hold on. Got my trusty snacks, some sushi, and now it's time to get in this jacuzzi. But first, let's turn on some extra heat. It's actually a nice day out, but I like to be hot when I'm outside. Cupcake, is it jacuzzi time? Is it jacuzzi time, sir? All right, so I moved my snacks over here so Cupcake cannot get to them. And I kind of just like to sit around here. Sometimes I scroll through Instagram or whatever while I'm in here, eat, just relax, clear my thoughts. So I'm saying I like to just kind of like eat, scroll Instagram while I'm in here, chill out, relax, maybe like in my head plan my next day. But the jacuzzi is definitely my friend, so we're going to be spending some time together today for day 5 of Vlogmas. This sushi is delicious. My glasses are fogging up. I did not want to put my contacts in. Kind of a lazy day, so it's lazy Sunday. Look how beautiful the water gets when it gets night. It starts to, you're able to see the light, the blue light a little bit more. Obviously, I've been out here for hours. It's getting darker. So I'll probably stay in here for a couple more minutes and then take the dog out for his walk. I absolutely love listening to the water. Like, it is so calming to me. And it's so beautiful. Now you can see how blue the water is getting as it gets night. You can see the lights more. It's so nice to be out here.